Hello guys, today I'm going to unbox Apple Pencil. This is first generation pencil. I bought it for my Apple iPad 6th generation 2018 version. This is the iPad. So this is I bought from local store. These are the product that this Apple pencil supports. This is the price and all. Now I'm going to unbox it. So I'll cut this seal. This one plastic cover is there. Okay. Now let's see what is inside. Designed by Apple California. Here is the pencil, as you can see. This is the pencil. Okay, this is a little bit heavy as it looks. There is one plastic around it. Can just remove it. So here is the pencil. This is the Apple logo that you can see. Apple Pencil. There is this cap which will connect to the lightning connector. Okay, now this what is there inside this? Okay, here we get a couple of things. One is the extra knob, and this may be the charger for charging. That here they have given how to charge it. Either you can charge to the iPad or you can plug the iPad charger with this one. Okay, that's fine. Now we'll connect this to the iPad. So here is my iPad. This is my iPad. I'll open this, connect it to my iPad's port like this way. So now it's asking for Bluetooth pairing request. So pair it. Let's check whether Bluetooth is on, and here you can see that Apple Pencil is connected. So to check how much percentage is there, we have one widget for this that you need to add. I'm going here and go to maybe here this widget will be there for charging of that battery. Now I am not able to see this. Maybe batteries. This widget you need to add there. Now if we check here, batteries, Apple Pencil is 97% charge. So we are good to go. Can use it rightly. Now we can just, I basically bought it to make YouTube tutorials. So let's say I'm just going to write with this. Hello. Welcome to the pencil world. That's all from me today. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe and share this video. Thank you.